Hello students, today I'll discuss differentiation which is used in physics. We will not discuss in details. I'll only explain the meaning of the symbol and I'll give the formula and the use of formula. Simple formula, fundamental formula and the use of those formula or the application of those formula. Symbol of differentiation is this dy dx, and how to read this? We read as differentiation of y with respect to x. Differentiation of y with respect to x. What is the meaning of dy dx? Differentiation of y with respect to x. What is the meaning? Dy dx means instantaneous rate of change of y with respect to x. Suppose a car travels ds distance in time dt. Suppose a car travels ds distance in time dt. Then in 1 second, distance traveled by the car is ds by dt. This is differentiation of displacement with respect to time, or rate of change of displacement with respect to time. Rate of change of displacement with respect to time. What is the use of differentiation in physics? In physics, we use differentiation very often. So it's very important to know the fundamental formula. For example, what is speed? Speed is the instantaneous rate of change of distance with respect to time. What is speed? Rate of change of distance with respect to time. Now the symbol, what is the symbol? Symbol speed is v and distance is s and time is t. So v equals to ds by dt. So when distance is differentiated, we'll get speed. Okay? When we differentiate distance, we get speed. Thus, speed or velocity is the differentiation of distance, position or displacement with respect to time. There are some other examples also. What is acceleration? Acceleration is rate of change of velocity with respect to time. So we'll write like this: a equals to dv dt. Now what is dv dt? Differentiation of velocity with respect to time, or rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Here v is the velocity. Now we'll use this formula in numerical. The first formula is d dx of c equals to 0, where c is a constant. That is, differentiation of constant is always 0. For example, d dx of pi. What is d dx of pi? Here pi is a constant, so d dx of pi will be 0. The second formula, d dx of x to the power n. What is d dx of x to the power n? N x to the power n minus 1. Let us take another example. D dx of x to the power 6. Here in place of n there is 6. So substitute n by 6. The formula was n into x to the power n minus 1. So here in place of n there is 6. So 6 into x to the power 6 minus 1. Now the third formula, d dx of cu. Here c is a constant and u is a variable. So the c will be outside and differentiation of u. The formula is c d dx of u. Let us take another example. D dx of 9x square. Here 9 is a constant and x square is a variable. So we'll take out 9 and we'll differentiate x square. Now what is differentiate of x square? Use the formula, second formula, x to the power n. 9 is a constant outside, into, so into, what is d dx of x to the power 2? It is 2 x to the power 2 minus 1, nx to the power n minus 1, so 2x to the power 2 minus 1. Fourth formula, d dx of u plus minus v plus minus w and so on dot dot dot. So what we have to do, we have to separate them. So when you separate them, you will have du dx plus dv dx plus minus dw dx and so on. Let us take another example. Differentiation of 4x cube minus 2x square plus 6. There is a minus sign, there is a plus sign. The first step is separate each. Now we have separated each. Now use the third formula. There is a constant, there is a variable, so constant will be outside and differentiation of the variable. Similarly, there is a constant, there is a variable, so constant will be outside, differentiation of the variable, and differentiation of this is 0. Why differentiation of this is 0? This is formula number 1. d dx of constant is 0. So d dx of 6 is a constant, so differentiation of constant is 0. Now d dx of x to the power 3, use the formula number 2, x to the power n. 4 is there, so 4, then into, this into is there. Now d dx of x to the power 3, formula number 2, so in place of n there is 3. The formula is n x to the power n minus 1, so it will be 3x to the power 3 minus 1. Same, do it here. 2 is a constant, so it is outside, and x to the power 2 is 2x to the power 2 minus 1. So the result is 4 is a 12x square minus 4 is a 4x. Now the use of differentiation in physics. Write question number 2. Pause the video for a while and write question number 2. In this question, distance is given or position is given. You have to find speed, position and acceleration at time 1 second. A general expression is given. Here x equals to 5t minus 2t square. Then what is instantaneous speed? As we know, differentiation of distance gives speed, so dx dt will be v. Now substitute the value of x. Use the formula 4 and separate each of them. Now you use formula 3 and separate the constant from the variable. 5 is a constant, so take it outside. Similarly, 2 is a constant, take it outside. Now use formula number 2. dt by dt is 1. d dt of t square is 2t. So v equals to 5 minus 4t. Now acceleration. What is acceleration? Differentiation of velocity gives acceleration. Therefore a equals to dv dt. Now substitute the value of v. Now separate each using equation 4, formula 4. d dt of 5 is 0. By equation 1, by formula 1, differentiation of constant is 0. And according to formula 3, 4 is a constant, will come outside. And dt by dt is 1. So a is minus 4. Now at t equals to 1 second. So substitute the value of t, you will get the position. Next we will find speed or velocity at t equals to 1 second. We will substitute the value of t. T equals to 1. Now acceleration at t equals to 1 second. Since in the expression there is no t, so this value minus 4 is always constant. Same for any value of t, 1 second, 2 second, for any value. Thus we got position 3 meter, velocity 1 meter per second and acceleration minus 4 meter per second square. Thank you.